Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fill out a Chase money order. First, write in the recipient's name. Look for the line that says pay to the order of. On this line, write the full name of the person or business who will receive the money. This is very important. The person or company listed here is the only one allowed to cash the money order. Make sure you spell the name correctly. If you are paying a business, use the exact name shown on your bill or statement. Next, fill in your address in the purchaser section. This section may be labeled from, remitter, or sender. The purchaser is you, the person sending the money. Write your full name and your current mailing address. If you are paying a bill, add your account number. Some money orders have a field labeled payment for or account number. Write your account number in that space. You can usually find this number on your monthly bill. If there is no account number field, use the memo line. In the memo, you can write details such as July rent with the address or an invoice number for a repair. Now sign the bottom under purchaser's signature. If there is no separate signature line, you can sign in the sender or remitter field instead. Make sure you only sign in the space meant for the purchaser, and do not sign the back of the money order. Finally, hold on to your receipt. The detachable stub or separate receipt is your proof of payment. Keep it in a safe place in case the money order is lost or stolen. Thanks for watching.